Eastbound down. That's what it reminds me of. It looks like a red chopper too.
Well, if it starts shooting, I'm in trouble. I'm like in the middle of an intersection.
Alright. I had to shoot some of the zombies that are.
Oh, it's the clown music now.
That's definitely a red chopper.
Yeah, I'm trying to kite back. I mean, if we go inside and all these zombies follow us, we're dead anyway.
They fucking dying. Yep, it's a definite red chopper. It's getting close too.
I'm taking cover under this awning up here, but it's not good.
Yeah, I'm fighting closer to the building, but if I have 50 plus zombies chasing me and I go inside a building, I'd rather get shot in the street.
I love that music though. No.
Just got stragglers now.
What the hell is this music?
One of the greatest ever.
Going inside, there's a few zombies left.
Yep.
Oh, there's zombies inside. Somewhere a wall or a door has been breached.
Yeah, his building has been breached.
It's dark as fuck in here. Like I said,
Are y'all in my
would
base
rather
now?
Yeah,
I saw all kinds of zombies inside there, so be careful.
yeah. I'm trying to clear
Yep.
some, but
Careful, careful.
I'd almost rather be out here with those chopper. It's so dark in there.
Yeah. I can't see.
Got one of them.
I think these guys aren't shooting, they're just.
Yeah, I
Luring
think they're
them.
just playing music.
They're just trolls.
Oh, you can't hit them there.
It's... Oh my gosh. I think we may have actually... They're pulling a lot of them away right now. Hey, Devil.
Devil, I hope you hear my stream.
Oh, it's drawing more into the intersection.
I'm watching.
Oh, there's a lot in the intersection. Reload.
Is that red helicopter shooting at
No,
the last
don't you hear
one
the
was
music it's
shooting
playing?
at us.
me? I do, yeah.
I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna start working on these guys. There's a lot of them coming in on